y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the new Disney X Colourpop Villains palette. I'm going to be doing swatches, giving you my thoughts about this palette, and maybe a quick eye look for you. So if you're excited about this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below if you've not already. And let's just dive into this. So the packaging is just super cute. I'm glad that they went with the cardboard packaging for this palette instead of the plastic packaging that they have been doing before. So inside, this is what it looks like. The color story is just really unique. I'm really interested in this really deep navy blue over here. I think that's really pretty, and I love this pop of purple right in the middle. So pretty. So let's just go ahead and swatch some of these and see how they swatch, because I haven't even touched this yet. Okay, so the first one is called No Spots. Next one is called Mongrels. Diablo. Devious. Tragic. Underworld, Pain and Panic. We have Forest of Thorns, which is that beautiful purple. Flotsam. Then we have The Fates. That's that royal blue. Revenge, which is almost like a very deep blue with like a black undertone. It's really pretty. Then we have Sing. That is gorgeous. Jetsam. And we have Facile and 101, which the 101 is just a matte black shade. I know I didn't swatch it very good. It's all the way down there on my elbow. So here are the swatches of the palette. They all swatched really good. Kudos to Colourpop. They are always on top of their game. So we're going to go ahead and create a quick eye look with this. Okay, so I went ahead and taped off my eyes, and I'm just going to go right into the shade called Devious, which is this brown right here. And I'm just going to be working that shade kind of into the crease and a little bit above. Y'all, please ignore my nails. I took off my acrylics and they look awful. Okay, then what I want to do is go into the Fates shade, which is that dark blue, which was calling my name at the beginning of this. And then I'm just going to work this right over here into the outer V. And then what I'm gonna do is, since I have this taped off, is then just drag this down here. And then I'm going to go into the shade that was right beside the Fates, into it right there. And I'm going to take that with my finger and work that into the inner part of the eye. Now I'm just trying to blend these two colors together to kind of like get rid of that harsh line. And then I'm going to take some of it on a brush and put it on my lower lash line to connect in with that blue. Forgot how good Colourpop's glitter shadows are without a brush. And then I'm just going in with the shade called Jetsam, which is this other kind of blue, and kind of popping that right in the middle. And then for the inner corner, I think I'm going to take the gold shade called Diablo and then just pop it right in the middle. Man, these glitter shadows work so good. They're not even sprayed. So here is the finished eye look. I know I have not put up any mascara, but real quick, I wanted to go ahead and give you my thoughts on this palette. I am amazed how good this is. All these glitter shadows went on amazingly, and then I did the Diablo in my inner corner without without wetting my brush, and I'm I'm shocked at how good it is. And then I went in with Jetsam, the Fates, and Flotsam all on my eyes, and they went on amazing. And then Devious in the inner corner and on the brow bone a little bit. These all did amazing, and I highly recommend this. I think it was just $22, I believe, is how much this cost. So yeah, great palette, highly recommend it. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.